Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from RealSourceData, step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out of RealSourceData, first go to their homepage. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on Do Not Sell My Information under the Contact Us section. The RealSourceData Do Not Sell My Personal Information form will open. Enter your information into the required fields where indicated and then click Send. An on-screen notification will appear confirming your opt-out request. Your information will be removed from the RealSourceData website. Congratulations in opting out of RealSourceData. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.